What's up, everyone? All right, welcome back to another vlog episode. This is the official first episode of the Integra project car, and it's not that Integra, it's not the Type R, it's actually a DA Integra that I got. It's gonna be like my quote-unquote drag racing car. I'll insert the video about getting that car. I'm officially gonna pick it up today because it's up in out of town. Walking with the air pump because I might need to pump up the tires to get it on the flatbed wrecker. I'm going to be taking the daily hybrid Honda shuttle, and yeah, we have like I think it's about an hour, maybe an hour and 20-minute drive from Kingston. So going to be meeting up with the wrecker at the garage. That's where it's going to go for a couple of days, and then yeah, so follow me for the journey. Alright, so at the shop, Rekka is here. So yeah, it's about an hour and a half drive. I'm gonna make him go ahead a little bit, and then I'll catch up. So pumping up the tires, try to get it to roll a little bit better. I have two flat tires, so hopefully they all hold air so we can roll the car. Today it's about 7:30 a.m. I have the shuttle here, put down the back seat, fold them down. So I'm gonna be picking up some doors for the DA Integra project. What's so special about these doors, because the car already has doors on them, but these doors are actually manual windows, which is something that I've been thinking of getting, because as the cars get older it's harder to get the motors, and the motors normally go bad. So someone actually reached out to me and said they had two doors, and when they were showing me videos of the doors, I actually saw the roll-up handles, so I was like, yo. So I'm gonna be picking them up now. Alright, so these are the doors. Big up Lionel. So I was actually looking for wind-up window doors, because the motors them get old and think them hard for they're life-saving. To go switch some tires on the wheels. The wheels that I got, the tires on the wheels that I got, they're not holding air. So I had these 14-inch wheels from my Mercedes, the W108. So I'm gonna go and switch them around. So I guess I'll show you guys the car in detail when I get down there. So load up everything in the shuttle, and time to head out. Alright, so this is the car. It's a 1990 DA Integra. Has some rust, but it isn't in bad condition. But it's far from a fully complete car. I'm probably gonna have to do like a resto mod type vibe with it, maybe just two racing seats, no carpet, or maybe a carpet and a roll cage, no back seat. This side is up, front wheel is off. And this wheel, however, though, I think that's cross-threaded in there, it's not coming out, so I'm gonna save that for last. So this side is off the ground. So doing this side now. Problem I'm having that it was raining early this morning and yesterday, so the ground is kind of wet, so the jack is kind of sinking, and the car is on some form of lower suspension at the rear, plus the tires are flat, so it's really tucked up in there. So there's no engine in there, so the front is a little bit higher, so the front is no problem, but this is the trouble one. So let's see what can happen. Car back on the ground. Ground too wet, and that bolt cross threaded, so I've got to try sort this out another day. Maybe I'll record it to the garage and let them take it off for me. So engine bay open, no engine, so not sure what I'm gonna put in there. Everybody said put K series in there. I have a B20 non-VTEC, so maybe I'll do something with that, but everybody's saying K. K would be interesting too, but I don't know how it sits in the engine bay. Probably a little low, especially the K24. But yeah, I'm gonna do something with it. I'll see. That's it. DA5, so it was actually a non-VTEC car, single cam JDM car, and yeah, that's it. Until another day.